Hello, in this video I'm gonna explain how to use function keys on Lenovo LOQ 15. So as you can see on the top row on my keyboard there are the function keys and they have the primary and secondary function, and that can be changed, which one is the primary and which one is the secondary. So let me show you first with the default setup. I can, when I click on the key alone, so for example, if I open like a browser, then the F11 key will be assigned to putting a website on full screen. So you can see now it's on full screen. The F12 will be opening the developer tools. So I'm gonna click on that. Then when I close them, it's now set up. So whenever I click on OK, I'm gonna click on remember my decision, and now it'll just work like that. And then there are also symbols drawn on these keys, like for example the F2 key has a volume down and all of that. So to use the symbols to, for example, turn the volume down, then I need to click on Fn key and the F2 at the same time. It will change the volume. So we'll use the secondary function. And if you want to switch between that, so you want to, for example, have the volume as the primary or whatever, you can click on Fn and escape. It'll light up the key, so that means that Fn lock is on. And now you can see that I don't need to click on Fn in order to change the volume or the brightness also. So it'll use the symbols on the like the images here as the primary function, and the secondary function will be the legacy F number keys. So for example, the F11 now will be accessed with Fn key as well. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.